Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're back with the BMW E60 project car. Now we picked up this used 5 Series 2007 BMW from a dealer, and we're doing details from start to finish right here on our YouTube channel. So if you want to see more about this project, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure to check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel doing this used car from start to finish. Now we finished the whole inside. We did the leather, we did the carpet, we protected it, we cleaned the dashboard, gauged everything. Now it's time to move on to the wheels and the tires. Now, like all BMWs, this car has some filthy dirty wheels and tires. Now the wheels on this car are filled with brake dust, and also they've also been refinished. When we picked up this vehicle, the wheels had been refinished. They took the wheels off and actually painted them a dark argent color. So they actually hide the brake dust very well. But we're gonna clean these today because they're filthy dirty with brake dust. All BMWs have a very aggressive brake pad, which creates a lot of dust, but creates great braking. So we're gonna show you how to clean the wheels with all the right brushes and materials to get the job done. So let's go into the wheels, show you guys what we're gonna do today. Now this wheel is filthy dirty. Let's get out of the light so we can show you guys how filthy dirty it is. It actually is really dirty. If you go up and press it with your finger, look how dirty it is. All that brake dust comes right off. We need to get that all off because it's all inside there and it's gonna ruin the finish. So it's looking really black. These are supposed to look a nice bronze color, and we're gonna show you what we're gonna use today to clean it. Now the first thing we're gonna use is we're gonna use our Masterson's wheel and rim cleaner gel. This is gonna spray all over the wheel, and it's gonna get deep inside the little holes and the crevices and the cracks all in this wheel to make sure it gets cleaned. Now I'm gonna do this as the cleaner, and then I'm going to use a bucket of soap and accessories for the lubrication. Now over here for the accessories, I got our Masterson's Wash and Shine shampoo. I got it right here in this bucket. As you can see, it's sitting right here. It's been out here for a few minutes, and I got some brushes inside here, like a soft brush. And let's see if you can see it without the suds. There we go. And I also got a stiff brush for the tires. So let's go ahead and start this process. Now I got our Masterson's wheel and rim cleaner gel. This is diluted 5:1. So we've mixed it with water. It's all ready to go. Let's shake it up. And then I got it with a nice heavy duty gray sprayer on here to get the best sprayer. So let's go ahead and prime the sprayer. There we go. And we're gonna spray the wheel and rim cleaner gel all over this wheel. There we go. And make sure when you use a wheel cleaner like this, you spray it deep inside too. So you get inside the wheel. That way, even if your brush can't reach inside the wheel, it's gonna pull off the brake dust. Now look, it's already pulling off the nasty brake dust, especially in the crevices right here. I love this gel formula because look at how well the gel sticks to the wheel. Sticks to the wheel and starts pulling off the brake dust. Regular degreasers or cleaners, they might slide off really fast. This gives a little bit more work time to make sure that it cleans up real easy. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my soft wash brush. Here we go, I got my soft wash brush. Remember, everything we use today on this video you can pick up on our website, mastersonswax.com. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start cleaning the wheel. I got a lot of different brushes in there. I actually got our Black Buster wheel brush in there as well. But to be honest, this brush actually seems to be doing the job perfectly. I love how when you just get the right tools, it makes cleaning so much easier. And this brush, it actually gets inside all of the little lug nut holes as well. You know, wheel cleaning is all different for every type of wheel. You know, we have another BMW outside and it has these mesh wheels on it, and the mesh wheels are so hard to clean, you have to use the Black Buster brush. But this wheel, actually, we don't even need to use the Black Buster wheel brush. I think this is gonna be great enough. We'll actually might use it because there's some areas I really wanna make sure the brake dust gets out of on here. There we go. And the cool thing about this brush is it has a non-abrasive handle. So this handle actually won't damage or scratch paint because of its material. It's actually like a nylon plastic. So that way if it comes in contact with the wheel, it's not gonna harm it. There we go. I think we got all this wheel cleaned. It's already making a big difference. This wheel was really black. You know, they refinished it with this like a dark argent paint color, which isn't the original silver, but to be honest, I didn't think it was this light because we had been driving this car around town. There we go. Now, if you want to get the center spaces clean, you can use our Black Buster wheel brush. We got this right here, and you can use this to clean all of the cracks and crevices a little bit better. And this really gets in those cracks, the crevices. You can even see it pulling the dirt out, so this is a great accessory. And this brush also bends. Check this out. It bends so you can get really deep right down inside the wheel. Yeah, it's amazing. And I love how this brush is actually tapered and it goes down to a really small point so we can get deep down there right behind the brake caliper and really deep clean the wheel. There we go. I think we got everything clean. I really like getting behind the wheel because look at all the brake dust that's coming out, man. Look at that. It's black. I mean, my hands are black. These BMWs, they produce so much brake dust. Do you see that? Look on the camera. That's a lot of brake dust, right? I love this brush because it has a little tip right there because if I get too close to the wheel, like I get too close to it, or if it has expensive brake calipers, like this was like an M5 or an M3, I would want to make sure that the brake caliper doesn't get scratched. So this little nylon tip right here on our Blackbuster brush, you can only find this on our website, mastersonswax.com, or right here at our factory store in Anaheim, California. If you ever want to come down and buy products at our factory store, you can always come down here and get the products factory direct. There we go. I think all the brake dust came out. That's gross. So we'll put this back in our bucket over here. I have a bucket over here just for lubrication. This is really for lubrication to keep my tools clean. So now let's move on to the tire. I'm going to take our Masterson's heavy duty degreaser. This is our all-purpose degreaser. I've already diluted this 10 to 1, and I'm going to use this to clean the tire. So while the whole wheel is wet, I'm going to go ahead and take the degreaser and spray it on the tire. Now notice I'm spraying it all on the tire. There we go. I want it to get deep in the tire. Be generous with it because you want to get deep in the tire, especially this is like a Kumo tire and it has these ridges. If your tire has ridges like this, you want to make sure that you spray really deep in there. And then I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to gently scrub the wheel. Look at the dirt that's coming off that. I'm angling up the brush so I don't scratch the rim. I'm not even touching the rim with the brush. But look at how dirty the degreaser is now. That dirt is coming off the tire. These tires were very yellow and they had a lot of dirt in them, a lot of browning. So Masterson's heavy duty degreaser, when you want to clean your wheels and tires, this is the best thing to use. Masterson's heavy duty degreaser is going to pull off the grease and it's going to pull off the browning off the tires. And I mean, it's already working. Okay, I got this whole wheel scrubbed. Look at how dirty it is. I mean, look, guys, look at the dirt that's coming off this wheel. Our products, they really do clean very good. Our Masterson's wheel and rim cleaner gel and our heavy duty degreaser, it cleans so good. Look, I even got dirt all over my hands. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna grab the pressure washer right now. I'm gonna pressure wash all this off and we'll see the final result. So now we're back. We completely pressure washed off the entire wheel and tire, and check out the results, guys. The results are amazing. The tire and wheel combo is completely clean. It had this nasty brake dust over it that looked black. Now we get to see that nice dark argent color. These wheels were refinished, so they have like no curb rash, and they have this darker argent bronze paint, which really looks really good. Now also the tire is completely clean as well. It doesn't have the browning, and the tire has no dirt in all these little ridges. Now this tire is very hard to clean because you can see that it has these ridges. So a lot of Michelins and Kumos, they have these ridges, but our Masterson's degreaser gets super deep into the cracks and gets off all the dirt and the grime. And then our Masterson's wheel and rim cleaner gel gets in all of the spots and all of the angles of the wheel and tire combo, including the brake rotor and behind the wheel to get all the brake dust off. And check us out, I'm covered in brake dust because this thing was really spitting out a lot of brake dust, guys. So we've cleaned the whole wheels and tire. We're gonna clean the rest of the wheels and tires on all four of the car, and then we're gonna wash the whole car. Now, if you wanna pick up our Masterson's wheel and rim cleaner gel, our Masterson's heavy duty degreaser, or our brushes, and our accessories, go over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can check out everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Now, we're going to do a lot more videos on this E60. We're doing a full detail from start to finish. So remember, follow these videos. Remember, click subscribe, click the like button, click that notification bell. Remember, YouTube doesn't want you to see these videos up front. So get the YouTube videos from Masterson's Car Care right at the front. Click that notification bell and make sure that you guys get your videos right here today, right when they release. And we'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.